teaching you how to use Bentoy. How to use Bentoy bootable USB maker. First, download the file, which you can find it at the official website. And after downloading it, you see this GIF or zipper file. Right click it and click extract all. And click extract. And after you extract it, click this folder and this one too. And you can see Bentoy to this. Don't click this unless you want some things. Click this Bentoy to disk ESA and plug your device, USB device. Mine is a 8GB drive.
Ano ba alam ni Taylin?
And after you plug it, refresh it,
Alam ni Taylin dyan.
and you see generic flash disk. It should appear your device name, and you can choose any things. And know what I'm doing, and just gonna do something. Since my USB file system is FAT32, I'm using FAT32, but it will limit my file transfers, so it's okay because I'm just flashing small OS. And ignore that, click OK, and there is the menu. Just click this button labeled install, and if you have a data installed on your USB, back it up, because if you do this and click yes, your data will not come back. Click again yes. Look, just wait. And if you see this, it means Bentoy is officially installed on this drive. And let's go. And you can finally see this thing. And you can transfer your OS now here. I'm using Zorin OS because I'm gonna upgrade my system. That's all. And until you wait until your new OS get transferred to your USB. Since you already transferred your ISO file to your USB, you only just do is reboot your system to the utility settings or UEFI or BIOS settings. Mine, to access the UEFI settings, I just need to spam escape key and go to boot menu, USB generic, and now work. If it doesn't, if you see that security violation, it will not damage your device. What you just need is to disable secure boot. And this should work now. This should work now because Bentoy doesn't work with secure boot on some device. And there you go. It's good to go. You can just click and boot normal mode. You can now use your OS. That's all, guys. Bye bye.